Welcome to ITMaster, where technology meets creativity. Today, we're exploring how augmented reality is transforming the future of design. What if I told you, the way we design today is about to become obsolete? Tired of staring at flat screens, struggling to imagine your ideas in 3D? Now, imagine stepping inside your own designs, walking through them, adjusting shapes, and bringing your imagination to life, right in your room. Forget everything you know about design, because the screen is no longer the limit. Your sketches can now leap off the page, becoming interactive, spatial experiences you can actually explore. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. For years, designers have been confined to flat monitors. But augmented reality breaks that boundary. Your workspace is no longer a rectangle, it's your entire room. You can arrange 3D text in mid-air, place virtual models beside real objects, and design environments that blend seamlessly with the physical world. Early adopters and concept artists are already creating this new reality, shaping worlds that go far beyond screens. Before we continue, here's an important update. Adobe Aero will be discontinued on iOS, Android, and Creative Cloud Desktop effective November 6, 2025. However, existing users can still download their projects until December 3, 2025. Let's look at the tools making it possible. Adobe Aero, JigSpace, and Figma AR plugins are helping designers build and test ideas directly in 3D. You can walk around your prototype, view it from every angle, and collaborate in real time. Typography, color, and layout evolve completely when they exist in space and motion. Design isn't flat anymore, it's alive. And here's how you can start. You don't need expensive headsets. If you have a smartphone with ARKit or ARCore, you're already ready. Start small, try Adobe Aero for interactive scenes or Blender AR for visualizing 3D objects. When you're ready for more, move to Unity's AR Foundation or MetaQuest tools. Use AR to make your presentations powerful. Let your clients see your design in their own environment, not just on a screen. That's how modern designers stand out. AR is already transforming industries. In marketing, brands use AR filters and product demos to engage audiences. In architecture, clients walk through buildings before construction even begins. In retail, designers plan store layouts in real time. And in industrial design, engineers use AR to prototype faster and smarter. Augmented reality isn't a trend, it's a creative revolution. The future? Lightweight AR glasses, advanced sensors, and haptic feedback that lets you feel what you design. Soon, you'll create anywhere, guided by AI that understands your gestures and ideas. But great technology brings responsibility. Designers must think about privacy, accessibility, and how these experiences impact real people. The future of design isn't just visual, it's deeply human. Augmented reality is changing imagination itself. Tomorrow's designers won't create for screens, they'll design for the world around them. If this opened your mind, like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for ITMaster 1, your source for tech tutorials and creative innovation. I'm Rashid from ITMaster, reminding you, the future of design isn't flat. It's spatial.